Tito de Goramano Sr., si Rito Panugalon, Juliana Panugalon, Emiliano Arnido, Cristina Arnido, and all the poor souls in purgatory, offered by Panugalon and Scanner family. Mass intentions for all the poor souls in purgatory, offered by Julita Calderon. Mass intention for the following souls of Virgilio Campilan, Eglesiria Lafornice, Agapito Yurong, Bebet Candado, Ilerit Campilan, offered by Imelda Campilan and the family.
Wala ka ni Lord. Ito sila naman. Masulog mo. Baka pa dito. Wala ka ng tubig. Walang baka po.
Ay, hello! Kumusta man?
Wala ka papel. Wala ka papel. Ay, wala. Wala. Ngayon eh.